everyone, in this video we are going to solve the different types of questions in your ratio concept. Now, if A is to B is equal to 3 is to 5 and B is to C equal to 2 is to 7, then A is to B is to C. We need to connect A, B, C. A with C by terms of B. So here A is to B is 3 is to 5, B is to C is 2 is to 7. 3 2s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 5 7s are 35. So hence answer is 6 is to 10 is to 35. So here answer is available? No. So answer is none of these. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. If 3A is equal to 5B and 4B is equal to 6C, then A is to C is equal to, so 3A which is equal to 5B means A divide B is 5 by 3. Therefore, A is to B is 5 is to 3. 4B is equal to 6C. B divides C which is equal to 6 divided by 4. This is 2 times, this is 3 times. B is to C is equal to 3 is to 2. Now B is to C is equal to 3 is to 2. Now A is to C equal to A is to B is to C. B term is common. So 5 is to 3 is to 2. 5 is to 2 is the answer. Hence your option is option D is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. 2A is equal to 5B. 5B is equal to 6C. Then A is to B is to C is equal to what? Taking two terms. 2A is equal to 5B. 5B is equal to 6C. Now, A divide B is equal to 5 divided by 2. B divide C is equal to 6 divided by 5. So, hence A is to B which is equal to 5 is to 2. Therefore, B is to C which is equal to 6 is to 5. Hence, we need to change the term value. By making the common term, then only we can able to write A is to B is to C. So, zigzag method, 5 6 are A is to B is to C is 5 6 are 30, 6 2s are 12, 2 5s are 10. Now, all the values are reduced by 2. So, 30, 15 times. This is 6 times and this is 5 times. Answer 15 is to 6 is to 5. So, hence option C is the correct answer. Yeah, we'll move on to your next question. If A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5 and C is to D is equal to 6 is to 7. What is the value of A, B, C, D, C and D? So, now we want to connect A is to B is equal to what? 2 is to 3. What is your B is to C? 4 is to 5. Observe your values. So, the B term should be common. So, we can connect, then only we can able to connect A with C. So, 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Now, this is the B is to C. B is to C is 12 is to 15. Okay, now what is your C is to D? What is your C is to D? 6 is to 7. Now, you want to common the C term. 12 into 6, 72. 6 into 15, 90. 15 into 7, 105. Am I right? Now, all the values will be cancelled by anything? Yes, it will be cancelled by 3. We can able to cancel its value by 3 or else. Now, what is your A is to B here? What is your A is to B? 8 is to 12. Now, this 12 want to become 72. 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72. 6 12s are 72. So, into 6, 8 6 are 48. Now, we can able to connect A term also. So, what is the value of A? 48. So, what is your A term? 48. What is your B term? 72. What is your C term? 90. And what is your D term? 105. It will be cancelled by 3. Each and every term will be cancelled by 3. 16, and here 2 3s are 6 and remainder 1, 4 3s are 12, 30. Now 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. It will be any, it is 4 number is commonly cancelled by any of the numbers? No. Hence your answer is 16 is to 14 is to 30 is to 35. So 16 is to 24. Hence option D is the correct answer. Observe your options, both B and C little bit are same. So D is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C equal to 3 is to 4. C is to D is equal to 1 is to 2. D is to E is equal to 4 is to 5. I can able to connect A is to B is to C. So what is your A term here? 2 is to 3 is to 4. Now I want to connect the D term. So if the C is changed with 4 means it is easy to connect with D. So into 4 means the entire term should be into 4 means 1 4s are 4, C term will be 4, 4 2s are 8. Now the D term will be 8, depends upon your question. Now the D term is 4 is to 8. Am I right? The D term is, now your updated C is to D is 4 is to 8. Now D is to E is what? 4 is to 5. Now D value is 8 and here the D value is 4. We should convert this 4 into 8 by means of multiplying this entire value by 2 means we are getting the same answer. 4 2s are 8 and E values 5 2s are 10. So this is the answer. 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 8 is to 10. Now your question is, what is A is to E? A, B, C, D, E. 2 is to 10. 2 is to 10 is nothing but what is your answer? 1 is to 5. We can able to simplify this value. 1 is to 5. Hence option D is the correct answer. A is to B is equal to 1 by 2 is to 3 by 8. We can able to write the A divided by B. A divided by B in the sense 1 by 2 into 8 by 3. This is 4 times, this is 1 time. So A is to B is equal to 4 is to 3. Now B divides C is equal to 1 by 3 into 9 by 5. 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. Therefore, B is to C equal to 3 is to 5. So, B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5. So, C is to D is equal to 5 by 6 into, it will be reciprocal, 4 by 3. 2 3s are 6. Sorry, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. 10 divided by 9. Hence, C is to D will be 10 is to 9. Now, the C term become, want to be convert this value become 10 by means of multiplying into 2. The entire term will be changed as 6 is to 10 is to 9. B is to C is to D. What is your A term here? 4. And what is your B term here? 3. Now the 3 want to change into 6. So by means of multiplying this value with 2, the entire term will be multiplied with 2 means the B term is common. Hence 4 2s are 8. What is your 8 term here? 8. 8 is to 6 is to 10 is to 9. This is your answer. So answer B is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. If x is to y is equal to 4 is to 9, then the value of 3x plus 2y divided by 9x plus 5y is equal to, so x by y which is equal to 4 by 9. X value is 4 and y value is 9. So what is your question? 3x plus 2y which is equal to 9x plus 5y. So here 3 into 4 plus 2 into 9 divided by, So 9 into 4 plus 5 into 9. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 18 divided by 9 4s are 36 plus 45. So 20, 30, 30 divided by 30 plus 40, 76, 81. So 30 divided by 81. Is there any possible for cancelling this both value? Yes, it is cancelled by 3. This is 10 3s are 30 and 2 3s are 6. Remainder 2 7 3s are 21. 10 by 27 is the your answer. Look at your answer. Yeah. 10 by 27 is available. Yes. Option D is your correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. Here 3x plus 4y is to x plus 2y, which is equal to 9 is to 4. Then 3x plus 5y is to 3x minus y is equal to what? So 3x plus 4y divided by x plus 2y, which is equal to 9 by 4. While doing the cross multiplication, 3 4s are 12x plus 16y, which is equal to 9x plus 18y. So 3x 2y, therefore x by y is equal to 2 by 3. X by y is equal to 2 by 3. Now 3x plus 5y, which is equal to 3x minus y. What is your x by y value? 2 by 3 na. I am substituting 3 into, what is your x value? 2, and what is your y value? 5 into 3 divide by, what is your x value? 2 minus, what is your y value? 3. So 3 2s are 6 plus 15 divide by 3 2s are 6 minus 3 is 3. So 21 divided by 3, 7 3s are 21 by 1. The denominator value should having the value as 1. So 7 is to 1 is the correct answer. Hence your option C is the correct answer. As we discuss the different types of problems in your ratio concept. Thank you for watching.